Welcome, adventurers, to a journey unlike any other. Prepare to be captivated as we embark on the exhilarating Fansipan to Sapa train journey. From the heart of the mountains, our magnificent train, a marvel of engineering, begins its gentle ascent, carving a path through the mist-shrouded peaks of northern Vietnam. Watch as the world outside transforms, a symphony of green unfolding before your very eyes. As we glide along, the steep tracks reveal a tapestry of vibrant hillside flora. Glimpses of fiery red and golden yellow flowers dance in the gentle breeze, painting strokes of color across the verdant canvas. Each turn brings a new vista, a fresh perspective on this breathtaking landscape, hinting at the wonders that lie ahead. And now, behold the iconic terraced fields of Sapa! A testament to human ingenuity and harmony with nature. These emerald staircases cascade down the mountainsides, reflecting the sky in their watery depths. Distant villages, like scattered jewels, dot the valleys below, their timeless charm adding to the mystique. Keep an eye out for a fleeting glimpse of another train, a fellow traveler on this remarkable route, a reminder of the scale and grandeur of this mountain passage. Our journey takes an unexpected turn as we enter a tunnel, not of darkness, but of enchantment. The walls come alive with colorful floral murals, a vibrant artistic interlude before we re-emerge into the natural splendor. It's a moment of delightful surprise, a blend of human creativity and the raw beauty of the mountains. As we emerge, the landscape gradually shifts. The wild, untamed beauty begins to give way to the charming outskirts of Sapa town. Buildings and hotels, nestled harmoniously into the hillsides, signal our approach to civilization. The air, still crisp and fresh, now carries the gentle hum of a vibrant mountain community. Our descent continues, a graceful glide towards our destination. The views become more densely packed with structures, a testament to Sapa's growth and allure. Yet even amidst the development, the surrounding natural grandeur remains, a constant companion on this captivating journey. And here we are, arriving at the elegant Sapa station. The journey culminates amidst architectural beauty and the gentle bustle of travelers. From the awe-inspiring peaks of Fansipan to the vibrant heart of Sapa, this train ride is more than just a commute. It's an unforgettable experience, a majestic ascent into the soul of Vietnam's highlands. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure.
Funicula replied that all the customers, the train has arrived from the station. At the Sapa station, please make sure to check the personal belongings before disembarking. Kindly proceed to the left-hand side in the direction of the train.